Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can cook the Aurora Banquet in Heartopia. So select the penguin stove and you'll need to cook these items first. This steak with mashed white radish, the creamy white radish soup, and then the iced coffee as well as the pancake. I think it could be any pancakes. Sorry. So here I'm just going to cook this because this is the only item I need to cook. So the soup, like so. Just waiting for that to load. Okay, once it's done cooking, you're then able to cook the Aurora Banquet. Start cooking, and yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!